Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I hope your day is going great. But today I stopped by. I wanted to share with you all. I am dropping seeds and just trying not to forget all of the wonderful vegetables that I love to eat during the winter and the fall, right? So I'm getting out my coffee container, baby. Yeah. And we are going to drop just a few of my fall vegetables. Now, these vegetables are going to last for the entire winter. All right, let's go. Many times, because we have so many beautiful brassicas that we all love and that we see in our gardening community, yeah, we want to drop at least one or two of those seeds. So I want to make sure that the vegetables that I love, that I have maybe more than one plant. Yeah. But also, family, I'm dropping seeds every day, and that is also because of the world that we live in. Yeah. Listen, things changes from one day to the next. It's just sometimes it could be weird. Yeah, it could be weird. So I don't want me to be in the frenzy of not having the food that I love. And I have the seeds, so I want to make sure that I drop the seed. Yeah, I have a lot of seeds, but seeds will do you no good if you don't drop them in the soil, right? So this is the end of October, and this is one of our voting years where we vote for leaders in our country. And because of what is going on today, we must stay prepared. Yeah, family. So this is, of course, this is garlic. It's a hardneck. Yeah. But I'm using this garlic for pest pressure. But, eventually, I'm going to eat it. Eventually. Definitely, I'm going to eat it. Okay, so I'm just going to plant this garlic. This garlic here is for these vegetables here. But I'm just going to plant them here so they don't be so far behind these plants when they begin to grow. And when they begin to grow, I'm going to take them and put them in the cell with them. But right now, I just want them to start growing. Now I'm going to clean those cells over there, and we're going to put some lacinato kale in some of them, that's for sure. Maybe one or two going to have lacinato kale in them. Yeah, that's going to be my winter food. So this is another thing you should think of is winter starts December 21. That's the first day of winter. So I have a lot of fall left. For Zone 9, for here in New Orleans, our coldest months is February and January. Those are the months that we have. If we're going to have a freeze or cold weather, it will be in February or January, right? As of right now, we still have a lot of growing to do before our first frost, which usually our first frost is really not a frost at all, right? It's just a date. I think it's just a date to remind us that winter is coming. That's what I think, okay? Because we don't really get a lot of cold weather. We don't begin to wear sweaters and coats until Mardi Gras. Yeah, baby, Mardi Gras. But anyway, let me get in. So I got those dropped and I'm so happy about it. I hope that your timing is cool also with your vegetables. Now, I will be cleaning a couple of those cells on the end, but I must realize too that that plant you see there is an artichoke. She gets very huge and she's going to stretch her wings, baby. So I'm just going to use one of those cells on the end where I'm going to plant a lacinato kale over there. And the other squares I'm going to leave open because they are going to be taken over by these two big plants. Yeah, and I'm gonna let them grow. I'm gonna let them grow. Now this is the lettuce in which I dropped with you all, and as you can see, they are coming up, baby. All of them are coming up, and I'm excited because I love eating salads on during my lunch. I love to eat salads. And also, I did go and pick up some soil. They were on sale, so listen, I went and got that thing. Yeah. This is my harvest today of my butterfly pea flowers. They are beautiful, and every day they are just giving and giving, and the pods are turning brown. Yeah, because in this bed is where I will be dropping my garlic. So they are right on time, family. They are right on time. I also harvest turmeric. This is the last of my turmeric for this season, and this is what it looks like. It's a nice harvest, and now I'm bringing them inside. Many of them I will be making powders from my turmeric. Yeah, I am so blessed just to be able to come out in my garden and just harvest all the wonderful herbs and fruits and vegetables that I do love, and my family. But now I'd love to invite you all to come with me in my kitchen. But first I'm going to harvest some basil and green onions. Also, I'm going to get some chives from my garlic. I'm going to cook some plantains, family. So I'm over here by my plantains, and I see I have about 3 plantains that is yellow. So I'm going to add these plantains to my lunch today. I've called Ben because, you need to cut them down for me. But I wanted to share with you all a new blossom that is coming up. But every time I try to share it, there it is. The wind, listen, it's very windy out here. But the leaf get right in the way where you can't see it. But yeah. So these are the plantains that we're just going to take the entire rack down. I will let the other ones just ripen in the garage, but we're going to cook at least one of these today. Yeah. But Ben is on his way to cut down this rack of plantains for me, right? All of them is ripe. Try to pull it as you saw, Ben. All right. As you can hear, it's very windy, It's been very windy for the last couple of days, but yeah, it's windy out there. And Ben looked like he's struggling, and I want to help him, but he don't want me to help him, y'all. He don't want me to help him, so I just sit back and watch. I'm gonna watch.
Whoa! All right.
So this is my lunch. I have one chicken breast that I butterflied and then I cut into 4, and I have 3 chicken wings that some people have eaten some of it already, but that is the meat portion. And this is my oil getting very warm for my plantains. Yeah, so when I cook my plantains, I don't like to put anything on them at all. Now sometimes Jada, they put sugar or cinnamon and maybe a little nutmeg, and it tastes good, but I like mine plain, just the way they are. And when they turn brown and black, those plantains are just so sweet, so delicious. You really don't need anything on them, right? And I'm just frying one plantain for today, just one. That's all I need. So this is the way they look. Yeah, and I just sliced them up. Nothing special about it, right? And this is my meal. And I made a cucumber salad. I have rice and peas, the chicken, yeah, and the plantains, or plantains, whatever way you like to call it. But they were very hot, so I really had to take my time to eat them. But family, it was just so good. The meal was delicious. And of course, yes, I shared. I made a plate for Ben, and he enjoyed them also. They were really good, fresh. Now, if my plantains are not as big as the ones you have in the store, it is because they are all grown naturally. Yeah, there is nothing on them to make these plantains do anything. They do just what God intended them to do. Taste delicious. Yes, so I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I'm gonna go and sit back and enjoy this meal. And those are my other plantains that I'm gonna just let turn black, because the blacker the berry, baby. Y'all know. But my meal was excellent. And the cucumber salad, yep, those are my cucumbers. And they were so juicy and delicious. It's just a nice cucumber salad. That's it. Yeah, that is it. It was delicious. All parts of it was really good. And after that, after I eaten, I took about an hour off before I went back in my garden. Later, family.